Hi everyone, welcome to my live knitting session. I will show you this Cardigan leaf, lace leaf design tutorial. Needle 3.5 mm, yarn 4 ply, we need 22 stitches for this design. One slip stitch, one, two per stitch, hold on this stitch on stitch marker, one like this, the shape, one and one stitch, straight stitch, and then this next stitch, straight stitch, hold on this stitch marker, this stitch, one, this straight stitch, and then knit this one straight stitch, one per stitch, and knit these two stitches together per stitch, one single stitch, yarn over, and yarn over, one, two, three, knit these two stitches together purlwise, one purlwise, again and this one, hold on, stitch marker, one, one, again, hold on, stitch marker, this one, again this one, inner row, purlwise, 2, 3, 4 stitches, and purlwise, 1, 2, straight stitches, and 1, 2, 3 stitches, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 purlwise and 2 purlwise stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, straight, 1, front row, front side row, 1 slip stitch, 1, 2 purl stitches, repeat this, and hold this stitch on stitch marker, this one, 1, and this design, 1, again hold this stitch on stitch marker, and 1, and 1, and 1 single stitch at purlwise, and net is 1 per 1 straight stitch together, these stitches. Then yarn over, 1 straight, 2, 1, 3, yarn over, 1, 2, net straight stitches, 1 2 1 straight, 1 per stitch, knit these two stitches together and 1 per stitch. Create this 1, hold on stitch marker, add 1 straight stitch, and then add this stitch and hold on stitch marker, and this 1 1 and another 1 2 3 4 per stitches, 1 2 straight and a row. This is in a row, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 stitches, net per stitches. 1 2 straight stitches, 1 2 3 4 per stitches, 2 straight stitches and a row. Front row, 1 slip stitch, 1 2 1 hold on stitch marker, 1 then 1 hold on stitch marker and this and one per stitch net and these two stitches together. One, two, three stitches, net straight stitches and yarn over, and one again yarn over and one move yarn back to front and add the 1 2 stitches together, 1 straight, 1 per net per wise this stitch, 1 per stitch. And hold this 1 stitch, 1 inner side, inner stitch. Repeat this 4 stitches, not purlwise. 1, 2 straight, 5, 6, 7, 2 straight stitches, 4 purl stitches, 4, 1, 2. In front, 1 slip stitch, 1, 2, 1, hold 1 stitch marker, this 1, first knit this one, and then knit this 1, this 1, and 1, and 1 per stitch, knit single one, 1 purl, 1 straight stitch, knit together these 2 stitches, and 1, 2, yarn over, the knit 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, knit these 2, 1 straight, 1 per stitch, 2 stitches together, 1, hold 1 first stitch, 1 stitch marker, and this next stitch again, 1 stitch, hold this 1 stitch, 1 stitch marker, first knit 1 stitch, together, inner row, 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches per stitches, 1, 2 straight stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all stitches purlwise, 1, 2 straight stitches, no, 3 4 stitches, purlized stitches net, and 2 stitches, 1, 1 slip stitch, repeat it, 2 purlized, now 1 is hold on stitch, net first place, 1, 1, and again 1 per stitch, and is 1 per 1 straight stitch. These 2 stitches knit together, and 1, yarn over, 1 stitch, and 1 yarn over, again 1 2 3, move yarn back to front, knit the 2 stitches together purlized, 1 per stitch and 2 stitches together, 1 per, 1, 1, 1, in a row, 1, knit 4 stitches purlized, 3 4, 2 straight stitch, 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 stitches and purlized, 1 2 2 stitches straight stitches, another side, 1 2 3 4, repeat this, 1 2 1 leaf 2 leaf, one slip stitch, two straight purse stitches, one hold on stitch marker, first and this one, 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 one purse stitch, and one purse stitch, one straight stitch. Knit these two stitches together purlwise. Yarn over 1, 2, 3 straight stitches, leaf stitches. Yarn over 1, 2, move yarn back to front, knit one per straight stitch and one per stitch, these two stitches together and purlwise. 1, 2. Repeat this. And this first one and this. Hold on stitch marker, one stitch, and this one, and this one. Inner row, repeat, same stitches per one, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are stitches, these stitches. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches, 4 stitches, 2 straight, 1. Inner row complete. Now front row. Start now. 1 slip stitch, 2 purse stitch, hold this first stitch on stitch marker, 1, 1, hold this stitch on stitch marker and knit this next stitch, 1 purse stitch and knit like 1 purl, 1 straight, and together these two stitches. Yarn move front to back, and 1 2 3 straight stitches. Yarn move, yarn over, 1, yarn over, 1. Complete this leaf, start this leaf. 1 straight, 1 purl. Knit these two stitches together. One purlwise. Knit these two stitches. 1 straight, 1 purl. 1 per stitch. Knit single stitch. Hold stitch marker. 1 stitch and this single stitch. And this stitch and again inner row, knit 4 stitches purlwise. 4 and 2 straight stitches, and then 7 stitches purlwise. 7, 2 straight, 4 purlwise, 2 straight, 1 back, front row, one slip stitch, 1 2 per stitch. Repeat this again. Hold 1, first one stitch marker, stitch, and 1 second, and first 1, 2, one single, knit 1 single purl and 1 per stitch, 1 straight stitch. Knit these two stitches together purlwise. 1 straight, 2 straight, yarn over, 1 2 1 2 3, yarn over, 1 straight stitch, one purl stitch, and together two stitches purlwise, one purl, one hold on stitch marker, and one again, one, inner, and four stitch purl stitch, and four into straight stitches, seven purl stitches, inner row, six, seven purl stitches, one, two straight stitches, one, two, three, four purl stitches, and two straight, one purl. One slip stitch, two purl stitches, and hold one first stitch on stitch marker, one, two, one, two, one purl stitch, one purl stitch, one straight stitch. Knit these two stitches purlwise, and one single straight stitch, yarn over, one stitch, yarn over, one stitch, one, two, three, move yarn back to front, one, two, one straight, one purl stitch, knit together two stitches purlwise, one, two, one stitch, hold on stitch mark, first one, one, two, second one, hold on stitch markers, one, 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 inner row, and 4 stitches per stitches, 2 straight stitches, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stitches and purpose 2 straight, 4 stitches and per stitches, 2 straight stitches, 1 per stitch, front row, repeat all design with same stitches. See you next video on Friday.